Replace the compressor or get a new fridge? Our LG French door refrigerator stopped cooling this past Sunday. The fridge section is about 55 degrees Fahrenheit and not sure on the freezer temp, but it's not freezing. Model: LMXS30776S. The fridge is only 5 years old. We had an appliance repair guy out here and provided an estimate of $1,800 for the compressor replacement. Does that price seem fair? Never thought it would be that high. Do we call another appliance repair shop or purchase a new fridge? Question from user CManiac45Z54 at Appliances at Reddit. Answer: I'm sorry to hear about the issue with your LG refrigerator. The cost of a compressor replacement can vary depending on various factors such as the location, specific repair service, and the availability of parts. However, $1,800 does seem quite high for a compressor replacement. It's always a good idea to get a second opinion when faced with a significant repair cost. I would recommend contacting another appliance repair shop to get an estimate for the compressor replacement. This will help you determine if the initial quote you received is fair or if there are more affordable options available. Additionally, consider the age of your refrigerator. While 5 years is relatively young for a refrigerator, it may be worth evaluating the cost of the repair compared to the price of a new refrigerator. In some cases, depending on the cost of the repair and the overall condition of the appliance, it might be more cost-effective to invest in a new refrigerator instead of a costly repair. When deciding whether to repair or replace, consider factors such as the overall reliability of the brand and model, the expected lifespan of the repaired appliance, and your budget. Sometimes, purchasing a new refrigerator can be a more sensible long-term investment, especially if your current refrigerator has had multiple issues. Ultimately, the decision is yours to make based on the information you gather from multiple repair estimates and your personal circumstances.